What's up, guys? This is my trade recap for No News Monday. I'm trading 10 a.m. continuation here. See how we're opening up and aligning with expansion immediately. This is 9 a.m. close, so a driver kind of low of day, but I'm still bearish coming into PM session. We'll just think of this as a C2 reversal, right? It's an SMT at this low, so NQ has had the sweep, but then we've had a strength switch PSP. See how this candle closes bullish. YM obviously weaker, closing bearish. So this is a strength switch PSP head of 10 a.m. open. C1 is the range, C2 obviously sweeps, close back inside. So C1 accumulation high is the target, right? Why also is this target? Well, I want to retrace this profile, right? So retracement back into a discount of this current daily range, as you can see right here, discount and above the daily open, right? So like I say, open high first and then PM session, I want to see potential continuation sorts lower. I don't really expect this to hold as low of day. It's just like a two-stage which validates an intermediate or a short-term reversal slash higher time frame retracement before continuation towards these swings down here from Thursday, Friday, etc. Right? So 9 a.m. close, 10 a.m. immediately opens up within expansion. Look at the 5-minute. How do I actually profile longs inside here? Well, I wanted initially the move towards this high as explained, right? But that gives, and at this point we already have confirmed the low of the 10 a.m. candle, right? So we see 10 a.m. open here. We've already put in that wick like this. Wick immediately within this 5-minute candle, move reverse within this 5-minute candle, displacing higher. And then from there, we have this CSD closure, retest of that, and that support is expansion higher within this and this candle, right? So within 10 minutes of the next hourly and H4 open, we've already seen delivery towards this draw on liquidity, which I had for 10 a.m., right? However, I don't view this as a reversal profile simply because the way ES and YM were trading at the time. Like I say, coming into the driver, when we confirm the low and the two-stage reversal inside here, we have a strength switch, which means that NQ is now the strongest asset. That means before a true reversal, I want to see a double sweep of this relevant high, right? So with that, we're going to take out early sellers, engineer take some liquidity from here. So we engineer another protected swing point, ideally some SMT like this potentially, and then trade lower during PM. As we can see, or as we will see, the SMT is put in here, and then we have another strength switch with NQ turning weaker, and we sell off, and I actually get the perfect TP from there. But we'll get into that when we get the 1-minute chart, right? So how can I validate a continuation from here? Well, since we have no retest at 10 a.m., we've already confirmed the low of the new 4-hour candle. When we have expansion, I'm viewing this as retracement to retest that 10 a.m. level and then see continuation, like I say, for the double sweep of this case, for trading lower. So for me, this was still a valid continuation profile. Basic 10 a.m. retest, right? What do I do then? Well, this is an aligned key level, like I say. 5-minute rejection block here, trading back into the open. We also have this 1-minute structure. So like with 9 a.m., the candle close on the 1 hour here. All my reversal signatures, all my entry criteria require a C2 closure, which confirms the swing point, right? Trading within C3. So C2 closure, same thing with the 1 minute at 10 a.m. open. Before we confirm that 5-minute CSD here, or was actually somewhere around here, right? We also have this C2 on the 1 minute. So sweep closure back inside and also closing back beyond the 10 a.m. just on the 1 minute, but of course leaving that 5-minute rejection block inside there. So just to recap again, 10 a.m. open, we've already put in the low here. So we've opened low first, traded away, delivery to the higher time frame draw, which is this hourly gap above daily open and in a premium of the current hourly range or the current daily range. And then from there, I just want to see retracement, retest 10 a.m. to the tick, continuation higher, double sweep, and then trade lower for PM session, right? As we're obviously bearish during the day. This is just a 10 a.m. retracement profile. So it's a lower time frame reversal slash higher time frame retracement. Again, don't get into specifics about double sweeps, whether we get this SMT here or this SMT here. It's basically just using both correlated assets. So using ES and YM to determine a possible strength switch around the relevant level for that double sweep. And then, of course, YM being the weakest asset previously, when that trades into something relevant, then we get the reaction from there. Hence why I closed a little bit earlier at this high, right here. So there we are. We have a 10-point stop, limit at 10 a.m. I'm not really taking a strict 10-point stop on this. It was just the current hourly low, which is the low of the 5-minute rejection block, and this 1-minute C2 candle. And then, yeah, like I say, target initially was up here, but depending on how other assets are trading, in real time, I've adjusted and taken this level as TP. I really don't need to stretch out that extra few R. And that was a perfect 7.7 R trade for me in the end. And of course, I can't show the actual breakdown for the trade without the execution itself. So here we are. It's what I posted in the Discord. This is my entry, stop, TP right there, but I actually TP'd at this level here, as we can see. And yeah, guys, trade breakdowns in the Discord. Hope you liked the video, and thank you for watching.